this is not the first day I was expecting. And I want na yung mga temperature medyo bumaba. So I'm willing to sit down with whoever, the NBI, the DOJ, para i-resolve to. But I want it very clear na unacceptable na may habulan sa Senado. Yan ay mangyari man sa bisita natin, sa senador, sa media. So that's my primary concern right now, is just to make it very clear we're here to work with everyone. Work with the NBI, work with the Office of the President, work with the House, work with everyone, no? And we will follow the Constitution and the laws. Pero nakita niyo yung video, hindi naman pwede just because they think they have a valid warrant, which is not issued by a Philippine court, ay pwede na silang makipaghabulan sa premises natin. Now, the senators are bringing up to me then that there are heavily armed NBI agents in front of the Senate na may mahahabang barel. It's not, I'm sure hindi ganun ang intention nila. Pero hindi magandang, the world is in crisis. Let's show naman na despite political differences, despite the fact na they would rather have a different majority here, we can coordinate well. So, but at least, lalo sa inyo, no? Nakita nyo na ngayon kung bakit hindi pumapasok si Senator Bato.
So paano
So paano
Kasi na
ma-diffuse?
kapag maaresto si Senator Bato, ililipad siya agad sa Dahig. So, kayo po ba, isa-surrender niyo po siya?
Okay. Whatever the dangers, etc., may korte tayo, may batas. Diba? So, na-discuss na yon sa Senate Resolution 44, which states that ang paniniwala ng Senado, that was approved by the Senate, diba? That kung meron foreign warrant of arrest, they have to bring it before a Philippine judge. Yung Philippine judge ang mag-issue. So, we haven't discussed with Senator Bato yung security arrangement, but in the past, pag nag-seek ng tulong yung senador, hinihintay namin. Tapos pag korte na nagsabi, usually nagvo-voluntary surrender, kinakausap na. Diba? So for me, it doesn't matter if it's a member of the media, if it's our guest, it's an OJT. Pag they're here to protect their rights, tutulungan ng Senado. So we don't want to violate any laws. Kaya nga, yung ina-advise ko sa NBI, makipag-usap ng maayos. Hindi yung sasabihin nila na dahil may warrant sila, pwede na nilang gawin yung gusto nila.
Sir, gusto pumasok.
Isang follow-up lang.
Kapag nakipag-usap ng maayos, pwedeng ibigay, i-serve kay Senator Bato yung warrant, sir, ICC warrant, papayagan.
They can give it to his office. If gusto niya, pwede niyang tanggapin. Pero yun nga, yung legal basis. Ang sinasabi ko makipag-usap, para maayos, hindi yung what if lumabas yung mga taga-sergeant at arms dito na may baril din lahat. Gobyerno tayo, laban sa gobyerno. O kung habulin ko rin silang pabalik. So, ang point ko lang, we can disagree, but do it temperately and do it, then paliwanagan tayo kung anong tama. Ngayon, if we don't agree, who decides? Korte. Pag korte na naman nagsabi, susunod tayo.
Isi-serve lang, pero hindi aarestuhin. That's clear.
Yes.
Hindi kayo papayag na maaresto sa Senator Bato.
Well, hindi namin nakikita eh. So kung may warrant of arrest sila galing sa Philippine court, di pag-aaralan namin yun. If it's in order, then we will even convince him that this is a Philippine court. At sinabi na nung asawa niya sa akin long ago, may assurance lang that the Philippine courts will take cognizance of the case. Hindi pa nga assurance na kakampihan sila, papasok si Senator Bato. But yun ang point ko lang. All this time, gusto niyang pumasok. But totoo pala yung threat na ayaw siyang pabotohin. Diba? So, yeah, I have to go back and start.
Ang situation ngayon kasi, nandito ang NBI sa loob.
Yes,
At nandun din sa labas, so paano
we'll finish the session, then kung gusto nila makipag-usap, makikipag-usap kami. Diba? There's too many problems to create another problem.
Meantime, Senator Bato is under protective custody na, so...
But I still ask him whether he wants to go home, whether he wants to attend. That's why nga, ang motion ni Senator Marcoleta, napayagan siya through Zoom or any teleconferencing. Para lang may options din siya.
Papayagan niyo yun, sir?
Well, given what happened today, di ba kasi nung COVID, pare-pareho tayo ng sitwasyon at hindi pwedeng puno-puno. So, pinayagan natin. Sa rules, pag force majeure or national emergency, pwede rin. Pero ngayon, pinipigilan ng isang miyembro paano mag-attend eh. Di ba? So, there's only 24 of us. Hindi pa pwedeng pigilan ng isang miyembro. So, if maayos ang pakikipag-usap sa lahat, then everyone can be
But as
present.
far
Kung
as
hindi,
you're concerned, they can serve the warrant but they cannot arrest Sen Bato.
serving the warrant kasi ibig sabihin bibigay mo lang eh.
Yes.
We've never naman, di ba, whether iwan mo sa pinto, ibigay mo, email mo, pwede naman yon.
But not arrest.
O kahit yung ako tumanggap, pwede rin eh. Di ba, as administrative head of the Senate. Pero hindi naman sila pwedeng walang coordination or kung meron man, dahil sinabi nga nung dating sa head na nag-coordinate kay Senator Soto, hindi naman ibig sabihin may carte blanche sila na kahit ano na lang pwedeng gawin. Di ba pag sinabi ko sa inyong pwede ba akong magpa-interview sa newsroom, pagpasok doon, hindi naman ako pwedeng nakipaghaguran kahit kanino doon or nangaagaw ng cellphone sa inyo.
So,
Iba yung coordination, di ba, na nandito kami para gawin to. And there were some lapses. Kasi, how many armed men do you need here? Senator Bato was alone, ha? Staff ko yung kasama niya. He was alone, ha? Walang security, walang mga baril yung mga yun.
But your
So, sir, ano
leadership
yung-
will not allow arrest.
That is the president, and that's what's good for the country. That's what's good for the. We will allow an arrest under the condition that it is a Philippine court, and then kakausapin si Senator Bato na yung paggalang sa Senado is two ways. Paggalang ng mga institusyon sa labas ng Senado at yung kapwa senador. So if there's a warrant for arrest for me, at kinausap na ako ng SP na, boss, eto na, wala ka ng ibang legal remedy, mag-surrender ka na para hindi mapahamak Senate. That's what happened in the past. Pero yung may legal remedy pa ako, pwede, alam mo, pwede pa akong tumakbo ng CA or whatever, tapos atakin mo ako, dadalhin mo akong Hague, yung sinabi ko kanina, paano yun? Kahit anong sinong media, kahit sinong general, kahit sinong sekretary ngayon, pwede mo lang dalhin sa Hague.
That's what
So,
you will
SP
push.
hanggang
That's what you
ano?
will push.
That is the essence of Senate Resolution 44 and of all the precedent natin.
So until
I'll
the
just-
situation is
I'll-
clear, lockdown pa ang Senate. Lockdown.
No. Kaya lang tayo nag-lockdown para hindi makalabas yung gumawa ng krimen at yung na-hold in contempt. Once na-identify ng mga yon, everyone can go
Matukoy
in
na
and
po.
out.
Matukoy na po.
I will check right now.
Pero paano yun, sir, si Atty. Matibang?
Yes.
Settled in contempt?
And they will be detained in the Senate.
Sir, si NBI chief kasi nasa gate daw. So hindi din
Nasa?
nasa gate daw NBI chief. So hindi siya papapasukin, sir. Dahil
No, I will instruct them that he can be.
napapapasukin.
Hindi ko, let me check on that. That's a good question.